In this final video of 4, I want to show you how to add a trend line to data. We can do this with linear, exponential, all sorts of things. The way we do that is we go up to our data, we click, we see that as I point to one of them, we get all sort a data point and some information about that data point. If you right click on it, right click on your data, you can see we can add a trend line. And so I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we have some choices of things we can do. We can add exponential, logarithmic, linear, polynomial, moving average, all sorts of things. All sorts of stuff. But what I want to do is I want to go ahead and click display equation on chart, so that's going to show me my line. And you'll notice that it defaulted to linear up here. The final thing I'm going to do is display this r squared value so that it tells me how good my data is. And so I'm going to go ahead and close that. And what you see it's done is it's left this equation with the r squared, the fit, how good our fit is, to a linear plot, to a linear fit. And then you'll notice what I did is I moved it from under the curve up above the curve so I could see it a little better. You could also, you can move this really anywhere you want to. And, it could be up there, whatever. But you'll notice with an r squared close to 1, that means that we have a good fit. So we have our slope of about negative 0.22, an intercept of about 1.1, and our r squared. And so that's how we added a trend line to our data. So that concludes how to graph the data that we have, our example.